Picture this. You're searching for a business that's not only profitable, but also future-proof. One that leverages innovation, sustainability, and the power of small-scale manufacturing. In today's video, we're diving deep into 5 unique microfactory machines you can own in 2025, each with the potential to launch a thriving business right from your garage or workshop. We'll break down the business model, startup costs, return on investment, and how you can get started. Imagine turning waste paper into profit. The egg tray making machine does just that, recycling old newspapers and cardboard into sturdy, biodegradable trays for eggs and produce. With the US's push for sustainable packaging, demand is surging. Egg consumption in the US is massive, and every egg needs a tray. Restaurants, farms, and grocery stores are looking for eco-friendly packaging. Raw materials are cheap and widely available. With a $9,000 investment, you can start producing thousands of trays per day. Many entrepreneurs report breaking even within the first year, especially if you secure contracts with local farms or markets. Source waste paper locally, set up your machine in a small workshop, and market to local food suppliers. The machine is customizable to produce trays for different products, expanding your market reach. Candles aren't just for ambiance, they're a booming business, from home decor to aromatherapy. This compact machine lets you craft artisanal candles at scale. The US candle market is projected to reach $350 million by 2033, with strong demand for handmade and luxury candles. Even working from home, you could generate $60,000 to $180,000 in annual revenue, with profit margins up to 50%. With just $1,200 for the machine and a few $100s in supplies, you can start selling candles online or at local markets. Most small-scale makers recoup their investment within months. Master your craft, experiment with scents and designs, and build your brand. Start small, then scale up as demand grows. Think about all the events, gifts, and businesses that need custom ribbons, weddings, parties, product launches. This machine lets you print custom designs on ribbons, opening a niche market with high margins. Event planners, retailers, and crafters are always seeking personalized touches. With low material costs and high perceived value, custom ribbons can be sold at a premium. For $1,500, you can start producing and selling ribbons almost immediately. With the right marketing, you could see a return on investment within a few months. Offer your services to local businesses, event planners, and online marketplaces. Build a portfolio of designs and leverage social media for exposure. The US loves its local honey, sauces, and gourmet foods. This machine automates the bottling process, ensuring consistency and speed, ideal for small food producers looking to scale. The market for artisanal honey and sauces is growing, with consumers willing to pay more for local, high-quality products. Efficient packaging is the key to scaling up production and meeting demand. At $12,000, it's a bigger investment, but the machine can fill hundreds of jars per hour, drastically increasing your output and sales potential. Many small producers see payback within the first year, especially when selling at farmers markets or to specialty stores. Partner with local beekeepers or sauce makers, or launch your own brand. Focus on quality and branding to stand out in the market. Ever wanted to create your own line of plastic products, from custom parts to gadgets? The MicroMolder makes it possible, right from your desktop. The demand for custom small batch plastic parts is exploding, especially in prototyping, crafts, and niche manufacturing 7. You can serve local businesses, inventors, or even launch your own product line. With a $40,600 investment, you can produce high-precision parts with minimal labor. The growing market for rapid prototyping means you can start generating income quickly, often within a few months. Learn the basics of mold design, offer services to local startups or makerspaces, and tap into online communities looking for rapid prototyping solutions. Which machine would you start with? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of business machines.